Hi friends, good morning. I would like to bring information about two companies today. One is a company called RPP Infra Projects, which is backed order worth 28 crores. And there's another company which has received an updated order, which is called TerraSoft. It has a combined order with another company called ITI. From BharatNet or BSNL for some upgradation of the uh, data network for BSNL. So we'll start off with the RPP Infra Projects Limited. I'll just quickly go through the logo of the company so that something that you can uh, relate to easily. So this is one, this is another one. You can see the different information that has been shared uh, across the internet about this company. We'll quickly go through some details here. You can see it's incorporated in 95, engaged in construction infrastructure like road, buildings, power, irrigation, and waste management. You can see market cap is 900 crores, current price is 182, high of 255, low of 97. Stock P is 14, book value 100, return on capital is 22%, which is very good. Return on equity 14%. You can have a look the price movement over a period of time. So since 2016, you can see the price has been fluctuating up and down. You can see during the pandemic or the COVID time, the stock price has fallen down below 50 rupees. So it started off above 100 something, 120 about precisely 107, and it's currently it's gone up to about 200 during September, and now you see it's around 180 today. So it has been fluctuating, but I presume with the current sequence that it's going up since the last 1 2 years, the momentum will take it ahead, and we could look at a good sizable growth in the next 2 to 3 years. So you can see here it's debt free. It has about 20% corporate annual growth rate since the last 5 years. So if that continues in the next 2 3 years, you can see a very good value addition in the stock. Debtor days have improved down to 43 days, which is a very good sign for the company. Sales median growth is 16% in 10 years. Working capital has reduced to 74 since the debtor days has improved. You can see that the working capital has also improved. You can see it hasn't paid any dividend. Return on equity is low. That means more capital is invested because it's a infra project company. So you'll see if there's any delay in any project completion, that would add to the cost of the company. And you can see that we have so many uh, working capital requirements that have been in the high days, which has now come down to 75 days. So you can see promoter holding has decreased by 5%. There's another income of around 50 crores in the books. So pledge of 28.5% by the promoters, which also does not seem very good. However, compared to the other companies, you can see the stock P. Few of the other companies have a similar stock P. You can see Rail Vikas, which is the highest stock P of 67, Ircon International 21, Afghan's Infrastructure nearly 40. So these are some of the other companies you can compare in the industry and see which one performs well and which one can offer you the best return. Look at return on capital employed by the company. You can see apart from ITD SIM, that is 27%. Most of the other companies trending between 18 to 20% or 18 to 22%. So something that you can look into and go through. These are the quarterly results. You can see consistency consistently the sales are improving, though there is a slack period during the quarter that ended in June, possibly because of the elections. Then you have a net profit which has again been consistent. It's grown to 19 crores. Earnings per share relatively stable around 3.8 to 4 rupees per share. This is overall yearly figures. Overall sales have improved year on year from 800 crores to 1000 crores, 1000 to 1350. So I'm assuming this will add another 20% this year as well. So we're targeting the sales revenue to be around 1600 crores approximately. Profit should improve to about 100 crores before tax, and overall the net profit should be around 70 to 75 crores for the year, or at least with the 20% growth in mind, at least a minimum of 70 to 75. So these are some of the figures. Compounded annual stock, you can see 3 years 38%, 5 years 18%. So last 3 years, which shows a 38%, is a very good sign. And if that continues the way it is, you will be seeing this value of the stock double in the next 2 to 3 years. Balance sheet reserves growing, capital is 38 crores, borrowings have reduced, which is a very good sign. Fixed assets is 5960 crores, which is okay, kind of comparing the industry the company operates in. Debtor days, inventory days have improved. Days payable have slightly gone up. Uh, Working capital, as we discussed, is reducing, which is good. Promoter holding 50%, public 48%. Government is zero, and FIIs have only 0.8%. So, in a way, there is going to be a lot of volatility in the stock price of this company because the holding from the direct institutional investors is none. FIIs have also almost next to no investment here, so there is a possibility of over uh, price to remain volatile as there is no large scale investment by any corporates or the foreign institutional investors, which would mean that there would be a lot of volatility uh, in selling and buying of these shares. The moment the price or value is added to the stock, you will see some selling to book some profits. While if you have a long-term view, you can remain invested in the company. You can see the company steadily growing in the last 3 4 years. So that trend would continue. Maybe the trend shouldn't be very high, but you can see stability, not too much of a downfall. You will see grow gradually. So something that you can consider. Moving on, we'll just quickly go into Terrasoft. Terrasoft got a project from BharatNet or BSNL in the month of November. They had a order consortium with ITI for 3,022 crores. Now that order has been revised, and the overall revision of the order is 5,100 crores. It's for the design, supply, construction, upgrade, operation, and maintenance of the network phase project 3. So this is in two different regions. Yeah, one is in Andaman and Nicobar, the other one is in Himachal Pradesh and West Bengal. Overall, three projects to improve the network, data network. So some information here. Intimation of work order updated, run and value addition. Since you see in the order, the price in the month of November was about 100 rupees, and that's since in the last 2 months since the order was received, it has gone up to 232. You can see that the stock is 42 rupees per share, which is because the price has had a bull run in the last 2 months. Book value is 93 rupees. Return on capital employed is 8. Return on equity is almost 4%. Incorporated in 94. The company hasn't been doing very well until to the time that this received this order. So there are good chances that for the next 2 3 years the company would be doing well because it has a 25% stake in the overall order of 5,000 crores. So here are some of the services offered by the company: e-government solutions, system integration, IT-enabled network. Company implements digital projects as e-governance, system integration, building IT. So more or less as a service in the background. It offers infrastructure for the fiber optic cable and broadband services. Few projects undertaken are Kaveri, Bestcom, skill sets, products, Aadhaar, Mahavikas, electricity bill, APRTA, AP schools, SCCC, Gujarat Ration card, AP fiber grid project, and the one very smart city project. So company client Andhra Pradesh, there was a litigation for a bank guarantee that was given for uh, 4 crores and 28 lakhs, which was challenged by the company before the division bench of Andhra Pradesh. So there is an appeal pending for it. So this is something that is important for everyone to be aware of. 46 crores order from Bharat Electronics, scanning and digitization of Mahabhumi polygons in 14 districts of Maharashtra. So that was something that was received in 2022. Another order that was received for 396 crores from electricity distribution companies. Bill generation, bill distribution, collections in various districts of Uttar Pradesh. So this is a little bit about the terrace of the pit. I haven't actually gone into too much detail here, but this I think should be sufficient for you to look and keep a focus maybe in the long run, at least for the next 2 3 years. Thereafter, if the company uh, does get any large order, you can continue remain invested, or possibly could book profits after a period of 2 years and see whatever the situation will be then. Thank you for watching, friends. If you like, please share the video with your friends and family or business colleagues or associates so they could gain insights into these two companies. If there is any feedback or if there is any improvements that you would like to make in the video, please leave a comment below the post so that I can look into and make the necessary changes. Thank you for watching once again. Have a great day.